Hey everybody, it's Glenn with ERD, you know, the guy in the video. And today we're going to talk about reballing versus repair. At ERD, we repair the Cascadia CPC4. You can see one right here running on our custom designed test system. Many people now are starting to show up offering services that they call reballing. Reballing is when you take the part off the processor, you clean off the solder, you apply new solder to it, and then put it back on the board. So in essence, you're getting 1 cent worth of solder and some amount of time to fix the board. That's obviously, as you can see from our bucket of old processors, not what we do when we repair. Repair at ERD is about replacing parts, reprogramming parts, and rebuilding modules. So if you're looking for a permanent solution to your CPC4 repairs with a 3-year warranty, please reach out to us at our website.